In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your Canva design via email, step by step. Whether you're sharing a presentation with a teammate or sending a flyer to a client, this is a quick, reliable way to get your work in front of the right people without downloading files or switching apps. First, open Canva and sign in. You can use the web browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're logged into the account where your design is saved, and give it a moment to load if your internet connection is busy. If you see multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the one that contains your design. Now, open the design you want to send. You'll usually find it under Recent Designs on your homepage, or you can use the search bar at the top to locate it by name. Once the design opens, take a quick look to confirm it's the correct version. If you've been collaborating, it's helpful to verify that all recent edits are visible before you share. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is the main hub for all sharing options in Canva. If your window is small or zoomed in, the button might be represented by an icon, but it will still be in that upper right area. From the sharing options, choose Send via email. This option allows Canva to send an email on your behalf, which is perfect when you want to share directly without leaving the editor. It's different from downloading or copying a link, and it keeps everything streamlined. In the email field, enter the recipient's email address. Take a moment to double-check the spelling. Small typos can prevent delivery. If you're sending to more than one person, you can enter multiple addresses, separated as Canva allows. Make sure you're sending to the people who should see the design, especially if it's a draft or contains sensitive content. Add a subject and an optional message. A clear subject helps your recipient recognize what they're receiving. In the message box, you can include context, a short note about what's changed, or a quick call to action, like, "Please review by tomorrow." Keeping this brief and specific helps your recipient respond faster. Finally, click Send. Canva will process your email and show a confirmation. The message usually arrives within a minute or two, but timing can vary. If the recipient doesn't see it, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder and confirm the email address you used. And that's how you send your Canva design via email. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.